Everyone ignored him, not because he had nothing to say, but because the world had become addicted to noise. The loudest people always got the attention. The fastest people always answered first. Everyone wanted to be heard. And the quiet man, he became invisible. His name was Kai. He wasn't shy, and he wasn't afraid. He simply believed that words should have meaning. While others rushed to speak, Kai preferred to listen. While others argued to prove they were right, he preferred to understand. But people misunderstood his silence. At school, classmates talked over him. At work, his ideas were ignored. During conversations, nobody waited for him to finish. Day after day, Kai started believing that maybe silence was a weakness. So he decided to change. He forced himself to speak more. He interrupted conversations. He argued over small things. He tried to sound confident. He thought that if he became louder, people would finally respect him. But the opposite happened. The more he spoke, the less people remembered his words. He became just another voice in a room full of noise. Every evening he returned home disappointed, wondering why nothing had changed. One evening, while walking home through a peaceful forest path, Kai noticed an old craftsman carving a wooden bird beneath a giant tree. The old man worked slowly, carefully, without saying a word. Curious, Kai stopped to watch. After a few moments, the craftsman smiled and asked, "Why do you look so tired?" Kai sighed. "No matter how much I speak, nobody listens." The old man looked at him and remained silent for a moment before saying, "People don't remember the person who speaks the most. They remember the person whose words matter." Those words stayed in Kai's mind. The next morning, he made a promise to himself. He would stop chasing attention. Instead, he would become someone worth listening to. From that day on, Kai listened more than he spoke. He observed people carefully. He thought before answering. He stopped trying to win every argument. He stopped speaking just to fill the silence. While everyone rushed to give opinions, Kai remained calm. He realized that silence gave him something powerful time to understand. Weeks turned into months. Slowly, people noticed something different about him. When others became emotional, Kai stayed calm. When everyone panicked, he stayed focused. His silence no longer looked like weakness. It looked like confidence. Then, one afternoon, an important meeting at work turned into complete chaos. Everyone was talking at the same time. Nobody was listening. The room was filled with noise. Suddenly, someone looked at Kai. "What do you think?" For the first time, the room became completely silent. Kai didn't rush. He looked around, took a deep breath, and spoke with calm confidence. His words were simple, honest, and clear. Within minutes, the argument ended. Not because Kai was the loudest person in the room, but because he spoke with wisdom instead of emotion. From that day forward, people respected him. They asked for his opinion. They trusted his judgment. They listened every time he spoke. Kai finally understood something that changed his life forever. Respect is not earned by speaking more. It's earned by making every word count. The loudest voice may capture attention for a moment, but thoughtful words leave a lasting impression. You don't have to win every argument. You don't have to answer every opinion. And you don't have to prove your value by being the loudest person in the room. Sometimes, the strongest person is the one who knows when to stay silent. Because silence isn't weakness. It's patience. It's confidence. It's self-control. And when you finally speak with purpose, people don't just hear your words. They remember them. So don't chase attention. Become someone worth listening to. Because the quietest person in the room may have the strongest voice of all. If this story changed the way you think, follow for more Ghibli stories that can change the way you live.